how are you? And hope you are doing well. Today, after finishing the UEFA Champions League matches, we will take a day as a break with few matches, only 5 matches, in order to prepare ourselves to the weekend matches. Okay? Today, I'm going to give you just a short video, but tomorrow we will be in a date with a very important another video. Okay, so let's start the business. The first match is Deportivo Alaves versus Sevilla. This match is going to be like that. Sevilla will score at least 0.5 goals, which means they score at least 1 goal. The other match is in Serie A, Italy, and it's going to be like this. Cagliari Calcio versus Empoli. This match is going to be double chance. Either the first team or the second will win the match. The second match is Hellas Verona versus Torino. This match is going to be like this. Either Torino will win the match or they will draw. The other match is in the Germany Bundesliga. Is Augsburg versus Mainz. This match is gonna be like this. Total of goals gonna be over 2 goals. The fifth match will be randomly from tennis. Let's start with this. Rebecca Mazarova versus Laura Siegmund. This match is gonna be over 19 in total. Okay, so the bet slip is 5.123. If you play it with $100, 50, you will get $768.53. Okay, take care of yourself and see you later. Thank you.